Hello everybody and welcome to Learn Icelandic. Today we're going to be learning the colors. Litirnir. Gulur, gulur, rauður, rauður, grænn, grænn, blár, blár, svartur, svartur, hvítur, hvítur, fjólublár, fjólublár, brúnn, brúnn, bleikur, bleikur, appelsínugulur, appelsínugulur, grár, grár, vínrauður, vínrauður. It's like wine red. And if you're talking about the same color, but you're talking about the lighter version and then a darker version, then you say ljós for the lighter version and dökk for the darker version. So, for example, ljósblár for light blue and dökkblár for dark blue. And that goes for all colors, but I decided to take blue and green for an example. So for green it will be ljósgrænn and dökkgrænn. These were all of the colors and I hope that you liked this video. If you liked it, then I hope that I will see you around in the next video. Thank you.